Okay, on the bench today, you have two Sony Air-8 scanning receivers. Just got them repaired. They came to me from a gentleman that had an issue with no audio. He turned the control knob for the volume control and nothing would happen. And you probably have seen my previous videos. I've got one other Sony Air-8 that I've repaired in the past that had a bad voltage regulator after the owner had used the wrong wall wart to try to power the thing up, and it took out the voltage regulator. So this gentleman contacted me and sent these two receivers out to see if I could do something with them. Anyway, pretty well-known issue. The volume controls, the little contacts go bad in them. There's a lot of information out there about replacing those volume pots and not being available and things like that. So anyway, I got them here, I got them apart. I found that these controls, latching type control, they just kind of go away after a while. The little contacts, the little contact on the potentiometer goes away, and there's some information out there about grinding off the little rivets out of them, pulling them apart, repairing them, putting them back together. I just didn't really want to mess with it, didn't think it was worth my time. Did a little bit of research, found a Bourns equivalent. Bourns makes all kinds of different potentiometers. It was almost identical to this. I've got a previous video out there that actually shows it. The only difference I could find, other than the audio taper, was that the length of the shaft was about 5 millimeters longer. I talked to the owner, he wasn't really too concerned about it. So aesthetically they actually look okay. You can see here, this is in the latch position. Unlatched is quite a bit longer than the other one, but with it in the down position, not really a big deal. Definitely still usable, and then you can tell obviously the thing works.
85807 and learn how an IRA backed by physical gold and silver can hedge against inflation. Call Augusta Precious Metals right now at 855-858-5807 and get an IRA guide. Call 855-858-5807.
So yeah, pretty good little receivers. I'm sure the owner will be happy to have these back. I just wanted to show that out there. I'll put a link below the part number I used for the volume pot. It is a 20K ohm pot. Like I said, it's 5 millimeters longer. The only difference is, and really a guy, I guess if you wanted to get crazy with it, you could take the 5 millimeters is just the length of this area here. You could just cut it off, bevel it, and then shorten it down yourself if you wanted to. But like I said, I didn't want to waste the time to go through all that. I had two good working pots, so back together, a couple Sony Air-8 air receivers up and operational again. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video.